All video content on this channel, as well as the video you are about to watch, was created for adult collectors, not for children. Hi everyone, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel, and I have a new doll to show you. So this is the Stoney Clover Barbie doll. She's one of their signature line dolls, and I've been waiting quite a long time for her. So I got her, I pre-ordered her almost like a couple days after she came out. You know, I saw her, I knew immediately I wanted her. I tried to talk myself out of it, and you know, then I had I think I had like a 20% off coupon or something, so I went for it. However, they don't charge your card immediately, which is nice, you know, because it's a pre-order. So they don't charge your credit card until they actually send the doll to you. And in that interim time period, my card got hacked, so I had to get a new credit card. And then their website wouldn't let me change my credit card information, even though I contacted their support and everything. So I finally ended up having to cancel my first order of her and totally reorder her again with my new card. And she's finally here. Woo! Alright, so she's finally here. She looks amazing. Look at that. Yeah, so let me see how her box. A few people have commented that got her, their box was dinged up. Mine's got a little bit of a ding here. I'm not typically an inbox kind of doll collector. I actually have quite a few dolls that are in box still. I say that, but I would say the majority of my dolls I take out of their box, and I plan to do that with her. Look at that. I mean, she's totally got the vibe that I like, the beach vibe. She's tan. She does have the Millie sculpt that I know is not everybody's, you know, cup of tea. She's got great accessories. I'm curious about her quality. She is a signature line doll, and we'll see. I mean, she does, I'm not sure if I remember if she has a made-to-move doll body or not. I'm thinking that she might not. Let's see, what does the back say here? Okay, so I'm going to look at the back of the box. Let me hold it up for you briefly if you want to pause this and read it. But yeah, so she's a Barbie signature doll, and she's a collaboration with Stoney Clover, which has all kinds of you know, contemporary fun accessories and clothing like she's wearing here. Let's see, it says on the back, Barbie celebrates the lighthearted, vibrant style of Stoney Clover Lane. Founded by sisters Kendall, Glazer, and Libby Glazer, Stoney Clover Lane is a lifestyle brand reflecting their love of travel, beauty, fashion, and organization. Known for their customizable candy-colored accessories with playful patches, Stoney Clover Lane offers functional style for the busy jet setter and a girl on the go with sparks of self-expression. Okay. Barbie embodies Stoney Clover Lane's carefree lifestyle, blah, 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 blah. White rims. Okay, so she has, her look is finished, so she's wearing a tie-dye sweatshirt and shorts set, complete with trendy white sneakers. She has a top knot hairstyle, so I would say that's the only thing that kind of gave me pause with her was the, like the bun on the top of her head. It's, I know it's fashionable, but it just, to me, that means like if I take that out, that would mess up her hair. And now she's got the sunglasses. I'll probably just leave it. But it would have been nice to not have that, you know, I don't know. It would have been nice to maybe just have long, wavy, you know, middle parted hair or something. So what else? She has a matching Stoney Clover Lane duffel bag. She comes with a lot of accessories, which was kind of one thing that won me over on this doll. So she has the Stoney Clover Lane duffel bag, customized with Barbie in bright rainbow colored letters, white rimmed sunglasses, and a playful pink coffee cup. Has Barbie ready to jet set into a weekend full of fun and adventures. I'm not a coffee drinker, so for me that's tea. All right, let me pull her out of here. Easier said than done. I don't keep the box, but I don't really like to rip the boxes either. So she's, is there tape here? There we go. All right. So if you are the type to keep them new in box, this is a pretty nice display box, I have to say. They did a good job with that. They obviously, when they were putting the packaging together, they considered that quite a few collectors do not take their dolls out of their box. Yeah, I'm wondering, I don't think her ankles move, but it looks like everything else. I'm trying to remember when that's the things, you pre-order these dolls, and then it's been so long since I read what she was about that I don't remember if she has a made-to-move Barbie doll body or not. Oh, she has a stand over here, so that's excellent. Very nice. So, I mean, yeah, she does have, oh, there's something there. There's some stuff on the back. So, for people who say, oh, you know, she's just like a $15 doll that's overpriced, you know, these dolls, my answer to that is these dolls do have quite a bit more accessories with them, though I am curious to compare her to some dolls that I already have. So here is, so she has a stand. Woo. This is part of the stand. All right, how do I get it out of here? There we go. Alright, so this is nice. I like the stand. I like that it's clear and everything. Can I just assemble it like that? Oh, there we go. Alright, and this is nice. It's adjustable. Let's see how easy she is or not to get out of here. Alright, they have the tabs in her head. Why do they have to do that? So I'm going to stop the video here and go ahead and take her all out and then be right back and show you the doll out of her box completely. Alright, I'm still getting her out of the packaging, but I wanted to stop and show you. This poor girl has 3 of those tabs in her head. 3. 3 of these. I hate these things. I mean, please, does anybody know why? What is the point of this? I'm baffled. Alright, so I got the tabs out, but something else is kind of odd that you have to be really careful of. So this little duffel bag is connected to her shorts. So you have to be really careful not to rip either one. I've got my trusty Swiss Army knife here to help me. Whew, okay. She's free from the box. And she's got those tab things. I'm going to have to work at trying to get those out all the way without cutting her hair. Because, see, they're still sticking out. So, but her hair feels pretty soft. All right. Okay, the hair feels good. It's, you know, it's got its box hair. I need to comb it and everything like that. She's definitely not a made to move because her ankles do not move. Here, let me take her shoe off. So her ankles don't bend. There's no articulation in her ankles. But her arms, she has joints here. Everywhere else, it seems like, of course, the top, yeah, her middle is not, she can't turn side to side or anything like that. So it's just her wrists, her elbows, her knees. Obviously her head can twist pretty easily, pretty well. She's really pretty, but you know what? I would have liked to seen her skin tone as a tad darker. I think it would, with this outfit, it would pop a little bit more if she was just a little bit more on the bronzy side. Another nice little thing would have been is to have some earrings, like some little post earrings would have been cute. You know, maybe just some white little dots or something simple. But otherwise, so she comes with, I still have her hand with the plastic on because that's how she's holding that cup. But it looks like, yeah, her hands are the type that can hold things. You see how they've separated her fingers there? so she can hold stuff if she wants. She'll work well with my tiki hut. Let me move the camera so you can see the tiki hut. My ironing board's in the way. I've been sewing. But see, I got my little tiki hut over there. So that was kind of my thoughts, was that she might be able to hang out with the gang over there. And I think she will be a nice addition to that little group of dolls that I have. They're all Barbies. We got Barbie, Ken, and a couple of Skippers over there. No Blythe dolls. I'm going to put the Blythe dolls above that. As you can see, I've kind of started working up there. But so anyway, she has an adorable outfit. She comes with shoes. She's got her coffee cup. She's got these sunglasses on. And she's got this little duffel bag, which is a really cute accessory that says Barbie on it. And considering I got, you know, a discount on her, that, like I said, that's what really kind of cemented it for me. As soon as I saw her, it was an aha moment. It was, you know, for sure this was a doll that I really wanted. Lissa also had this doll unboxed on her YouTube channel as well. She and I have very similar doll aesthetics when it comes to beachy style, California, you know, Florida, the beach style dolls. We both kind of have an affinity for them. And she got hers way before me because her credit card didn't get messed up like mine did, I guess. But anyway, I'm really happy with this doll. She's very, very cute. I'm going to do probably another follow-up video. I'm curious to maybe compare her to some of the other newer Barbie dolls that I've purchased, and maybe some vintage dolls. Well, I don't know. We'll have to see. But I'm going to comb out her hair, take some photographs of her at the end, add them to the end of this. But otherwise, thank you guys so much for stopping by and spending a little dolly time here in my little dolly sewing room heaven. Tell me what you think of the signature Barbie dolls in general. And also I'm interested, so they have, Mattel has for $10, $9.99, you can join and at some sort of membership thing that they have. I can't remember what it's called. Like, I want to say it's maybe platinum membership or something like that. And you get access to forums. They tell you early on when new dolls are coming out. And I think you might get discounts on some dolls. I don't know for sure. I got to find out more information about it. But I mean, I'm kind of, oh, and I think also you sometimes get to buy dolls that other people don't get to buy. But I don't know. I mean, I'm getting back into Barbie, but, you know, I'm still a Blythe addict. And then I've got my smart dolls and, you know, so many dolls. So I'm like, do I really need to pay somebody $10 so I could buy their dolls? I don't know. Am I being, you know, overly weird about that? Let me know what you think in the comments below. And now I'm really signing off. Bye-bye.